Yesh binyan chadash mul habayit shelano. So, ulitin ko yung ating example. Yesh binyan chadash mul habayit shelano, which means hello mga ka-unicos and mga ka-unicas. Welcome back to another vlog. So, as you can see in the title, may share ulit ako sa inyo na 10 basic Hebrew words that starts with letter Bet. So, this is our part 2 kasi last time gumawa na ako nung part 1 and kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yun, ilalagay ko yung kanyang link dito sa taas para mapanood nyo in case na gusto nyo lang naman, okay? So, before tayo mag-start, magdi-disclaimer po muna ako. Katulad ng mga ginagawa ko sa ating mga previous vlogs na hindi po ako native speaker ng Hebrew language. So, here and there for sure makakarinig kayo ng mga shgiot or errors and ngayon pa lang po, pagpasensyahan nyo na. Just please bear with my pronunciation, okay? I'm trying my best naman na i-pronounce yung mga Hebrew words na yon as precise as I can. And kung bago ka lang dito sa channel ko, then please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button beside it para ma-notify kayo every time na meron akong upload na bagong video. So yun, wag na nating patagalin and kung gusto nyong matuto ng Hebrew language kasama ko, then please keep on watching. Okay, our first word is the word house or home. So, ano yung kanyang Hebrew translation? So, house or home in Hebrew is bait. Ganun lang siya kasimple, bait. Ani ohevet leishel, babait. So, ulitin ko yung ating example. Ani ohevet leishel, babait. Which means, I love to stay at home. Second one natin is the word hospital. So, ano ang hospital in Hebrew? So, hospital in Hebrew is Beit Cholim. Beit Cholim. Okay? So, example natin dito is Ekilov hi achad me'abitei cholim betel Aviv. So, ulitin ko. Ekilov hi achad me'abitei cholim betel Aviv. Okay? So, yung kanyang English translation is Ekilov is one of the hospitals in Tel Aviv. So, third one natin is the word synagogue. So, ano ang synagogue in Hebrew? So, synagogue in Hebrew is Beit Knesset. Beit Knesset. Okay? So, example natin dito is Beit Knesset hu hamakom bo mitpalilim ha-Yehudim. So, ulitin ko. Beit Knesset hu hamakom bo mitpalilim ha-Yehudim. Which means the synagogue is the place where the Jews pray. Okay? Fourth one natin is the word pharmacy. So, ano ang pharmacy in Hebrew? So, pharmacy in Hebrew is Beit Merkachat. Beit Merkachat. Beit Merkachat. Okay? So, example, Superfarm higam Beit Merkachat. So, ulitin ko. Superfarm higam Beit Merkachat. So, ang kanyang English translation is Superfarm is also a pharmacy. Okay, fifth word natin is the word school. So, anong school in Hebrew? So, school in Hebrew is Beit Sefer. Beit Sefer. Beit Sefer. Okay? Lef amim ani mitgagat la Beit Sefer. So, ulitin ko. Lef amim ani mitgagat la Beit Sefer. Which means, sometimes I miss school. Kayo din ba na-miss nyo bang school? Please comment down below. Okay, sixth word natin is the word without. So, anong without in Hebrew? So, without in Hebrew is bli. Ganun lang siya, kaikli. Bli. Bli haain hara. So, ulitin ko. Bli haain hara. So, isa to sa mga kanilang religious terms, which means without the bad eye. So, meron na kaming ginawang religious terms ng aking mga kako-YouTubers dito sa Israel or yung aming group na OFW in Israel Content Creators. So, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung Hebrew religious terms na yun, ilalagay ko yung link dito sa taas, okay? Para makita nyo rin yung ibang mga kako-YouTubers ko dito sa Israel. And malay nyo, makita nyo yung inyong paboritong vlogger doon. Okay, seventh word natin is the word son. So, ano yung son in Hebrew? So, son in Hebrew is ben. Okay? Son means ben. Ang ibig kong sabihin dito yung anak na lalaki, hindi son na as in araw. Example natin is lamaasik sheli and ben. So, ulitin ko, lamaasik sheli and ben, which means my employer doesn't have a son. Okay, eighth word natin is the word building. So, nagawan ko na rin to ng written translation sa aking Facebook page. So, kung hindi pa nga pala kayo nakaka-follow doon, kung gusto nyong matuto ng any Hebrew terms, makikita nyo doon sa aking Facebook page yung iba't ibang Hebrew terms dito in a written format. So, ulitin ko, huwag nyong kalimutang i-follow yung aking Facebook page Unica Ihla as well. Okay? Kita-kita tayo doon. Okay, 8th word natin is the word building. So, ito nga yung word na sinasabi ko na nagawan ko na siya ng written translation. So, yung word na building at saka buildings. So, ano yung building in Hebrew? So, building in Hebrew is binyan, while buildings are binyanim. Okay? So, ulitin ko. Building, binyan. Buildings, binyanim. Okay? Yesh binyan chadash mul habayit shelano. So, ulitin ko yung ating example. Yesh binyan chadash mul habayit shelano, which means there's a new building in front of our home. So, yung ating 9th word is the word banana. So, actually, nagwan ko na rin to dun sa aking Facebook page. So, mag-browse na lang kayo doon kung interesado kayo, of course. So, ano yung banana in Hebrew? So, banana in Hebrew is banana as well. Ba-na-na. Banana. Okay? While bananas in Hebrew are bananot. So, kita nyo yung difference. Banana is banana, while bananas are bananot. Okay? Ano hevet banana? Umiyok. Ani ohevet banana. Ani ohevet banana. Which means, I love banana. So, okay, ito yung ating last and 10th Hebrew term for this vlog. And yun yung word na okay. So, ano yung okay in Hebrew? So, yung word na okay in Hebrew is beseder. 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 Okay? Example natin dito is ata beseder. Are you okay? So, kung ang tatanungin nyo isang male speaker. So, kung ang tatanungin nyo naman na isang female speaker, then you would say, at beseder, at beseder, at beseder. So, hanggang dito na lang mga ka-unicos and mga ka-unicas yung ating vlog. I hope kahit papano meron na ulit kayong mga bagong Hebrew words na tutunan. And kung kayo merong mga comment suggestions or anything, any Tagalog terms na gusto nyo ipa-translate in Hebrew, then please don't hesitate to comment in the comment section down below. Okay? So, gagawan ko siya ng tutorial, syempre, kapag ka free time ko. And before we end this vlog, kung meron kayong mga kakilala na gustong matuto ng Hebrew language, pwede nyo pong i-share itong video na to para naman makatulong tayo sa kanila. And this video or vlog is also for those people or for those aspiring caregivers na gustong makarating dito sa Israel and nag-aaral pa lang po ng Hebrew language. And para din to sa mga baguhan na kagagaling pa lang sa Pilipinas and kaka-deploy pa lang dito sa Israel na nakakapa sa Hebrew language. So, you might share this video as well sa kanila kung meron kayong kakilala. Okay? And dito ko na po tatapusin yung ating vlog. Thank you so much sa paglalan nyo ng oras ko. Nakarating kayo dito sa dulo. Talagang maraming salamat po sa inyo. And yun nga, bago ko i-end, kung hindi pa kayo nakakapag-subscribe dito sa aking YouTube channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button beside para ma-notify kayo every time na meron akong upload na bagong video. And I hope makita ko pa kayo next time. Bye!